Speed bump.
We decided to get this Newyoo balance bike. It's a 5-in-1 balance bike for our son. He's getting at that age that he's starting to move around. He's going to be walking soon. Hopefully this will let him have a little bit more freedom to run around and help him learn to walk. Right now it actually feels like it's pretty good quality. It feels pretty strong, most of it's metal. I got this on Amazon, so I'll have the link down in the description. Looks like the instructions are going to be pretty easy to read. Putting this together. You see the different things you can have. definitely gonna have to figure out how to get that off. Because he's pedaling. He's gonna be wanting those. Come back to those. Buttons somewhere. Here. Alright, that button is right here. Get those to open up. There they are. Looks like the buttons are right here. I'm going to pull that way. Should rotate around. Here we go. Now we got it into the trike. I also have a newer model that has a more of a secure area for them to go in. Pretty cool. And you guys can see, you can actually steer by turning this handle. So that's what that pulley system is under here for. That's pretty cool. I think I got it together now. So, what it looks like. It feels pretty sturdy. Feels like, you know, it's pretty sturdy, so it should last for many years to come. Alright, I'm going to try to figure out how those things come off, and I'll start it up again. Alright, to get these plastic things off, I had to press those little button things back in to get it to release, and then when you get it here, you can actually just pull them off. So then you take that back out. You're just going to stick them back on there, and then that's where your pedals will go. So you just pop off.
Oh my God. Oh wait, Zion, you poop.
Goes back in there. And now you can move your pedals up there. There you go. And on this push thing for when you're going to push your kids around, you can unlock it, and you push this button and it extends it so you can lock it in. Okay, I think it already had it unlocked, so push that button in and it makes it easy. And where you get it where you want it, you let go of the button, it already locks it in, but go ahead and lock it down there too. That's how you can extend it. Just checking out his new toy. What do you think, Zion?
Come here, come here, come here. Mommy will put you there.
He's not quite 1 yet, but next month he'll be 1. So it says this is good for age 1. Show him that he can put his feet on those pedals after you get him strapped in. Hey, thanks, Z.
Put your feet into the There you go.
It's thundering outside. So he's looking up, hearing that thunder. Alright, now push him. By the handle, push him down the hall. Now we'll go over here.
Hold on tight.
Hey, you just turn the handle and it steers. I think he likes it. What do you think? Yeah. All right. Now we know what he's going to be on when we go on walks. Trading in the stroller. Say goodbye to that thing. Whee! Yeah. Go the other way.
Yay! Okay, that's enough.